What's up, everybody? Bodies and Wicks, Ted here. Hey, I just wanted to let everybody know that I'm going to be on live tonight, trading. I'll try to stream a couple different ways. Definitely be streaming on YouTube. I'm gonna try to throw it on Twitch. I'm gonna try to do it on TradingView too. I'm gonna see however many ways I can throw this live stuff out there, but I'm gonna start around 10:30, which is in about 2 hours. I'm gonna go all night. I'm gonna trade through the London session, and then I'm gonna trade through the New York session as well. At first I was gonna ask the question, what should I trade, and then I checked out Forex Factory. So. Sorry, I don't have a cool background like I did just now. It took me a while to figure this out, but I'm getting used to this new, trying to figure out how to do different stuff with my webcam and all this. And sure, slowly but surely, you're going to see an evolution to a really cool thing happen. It'll be awesome. But anyways, if you check out Forex Factory, it looks like what I'm going to be trading is the GBP, the euro, and the CAD versus the dollar. I think that's going to be the best bet because we have a lot of stuff coming up, and generally that's what I trade anyway. I trade the GBP, the euro, and sometimes I'll trade the the EG as well, the euro, the GBP, just because I try to keep it simple. I want to keep it to a minimum of a couple different just a couple different pairs, because if you keep it to a couple different pairs and you know them really well, you know where the trades are coming and you know when to trade them. So 10:30, I'll probably start. We'll do like a top-down analysis of the three pairs, maybe four, maybe five, and then we wait, and then we start trading. Probably generally the euro starts around usually 11 o'clock my time, so it's 8:37 right now, so I'm Central Time in the United States. So the euro usually starts around 11 o'clock, so you start seeing things start to move. Usually around midnight though is when things start hitting for the euro, and then give it a couple hours. About 2 o'clock in the morning is when the pound starts moving, and then usually around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning is when you get another setup for that's when the New York session starts to come alive, and you start getting setups for both the euro and the GBP again. Whether it's going to reverse, whether it's going to continue. Usually something happens around 5, 6 in the morning where you get it like a slowdown and you get like a retraction, something like that. The same thing will probably happen with the CAD. The CAD will probably move slowly overnight, but usually right around that time, 5:35, somewhere around there in the morning, is when you get that going. And then I plan on trading until London close. So that'll be about 10 in the morning or so. I'll probably take a break for a little bit, and then I'll definitely come back. And then probably from around noon until about 3-ish, 3 or 4-ish. Well, 3-ish, because 3-ish is when, 4-ish, yeah, 3 or 4-ish. Because that's the end of the day. So I'm going to make a full spectacle out of this. I want to just do it live. That way I can show you guys how I trade. I took a day off from work while I have a personal day that I get to take. Usually when I am trading, I'm making last minute, I'm making decisions, but I'm making decisions on the fly, and it'll kind of give you guys an insight on how I trade. I know I make videos and I'll throw out stuff out there that'll be like, oh, this is what I think is going to happen, so here, this is what we look for. But price action moves so quickly that things change on an instant. And I can find something, I can spot something, I can trade, at that moment. And when I do, I can usually pull a good 30 pips out of it really quick, and get out of the trade, and then I'll keep doing it, So that's just kind of how I operate and how I trade. And it may be kind of slow overnight, but every once in a while, we'll catch something, and after I get done streaming. I'll probably have to go back and go through that stream and then cut out some clips and then you know, find the good parts basically, and then you know, use those as like teaching lessons and whatnot. As it's being slow, we can use that time, you know, to go over some different methods. I've got a lot of some ICT stuff that I can show, whatnot, that, you know, we can talk about, you know, some smart money theory stuff, maybe go over some Wyckoff stuff. You know, we can make a whole lesson out of it. So it's gonna be a long night. Look forward to seeing you all there. To whoever wants to join. If you don't want to join, yeah, screw you. Just kidding. No, if you do want to join, I understand I don't, my channel's not huge just yet, but hey, if you guys want to join me and trade while I'm, you know, in the, you know, on live, you know, send me a chat, something like that. You know, shoot me a message on Telegram, whatever. You know, maybe we can take a look at things together and you know, maybe come out with even more money. So anyways, that's all I got for now. That's what I wanted to do, is just call that out, let you guys know what I'll be doing tonight, and I shall see you guys tonight. And while I see you guys tonight, I'll be doing the same, so you should be doing the same. Always wear your pants.